How to save photos on TikTok. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can save photos on TikTok. So let's just dive right into the video without any delay. So if you want to save photos on TikTok, first of all, you need to head over to a TikTok in which photos are available like this, and then head over to the TikTok, and then it should be given permission by the user to download it. So everything is set. All you need to do is locate the video, head over to the share option in the bottom, and when you go there, you'll be finding save photo option. Just go ahead and tap on it from the options below, and then you can just select the photos that you want to save. For example, this only, and tap on save, and photo will be saved to your gallery. So that is it. It is very easy. So you can follow that method in order to save your photos on TikTok. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.